Welcome back to my channel, guys. Previews and vlogs. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the iPhone XS Max that just came out and the iPhone X, and to see if it actually is worth doing the upgrade. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so in my hand I have, of course, the new iPhone XS Max, XS Max, and the iPhone XS, which is the old phone I used to own. Between both phones, of course, the difference is obvious. The one phone has a 6.5 inch screen to a 5.8 inch screen. So that's the main difference on both phones. Another difference with these phones actually is the actual stereo speakers on the phone. The stereo speakers on the phone are amazing. Between both phones, the actual XS Max drowns out the XS, and I could put that to a test as well. And then I'll let you know what I think about if it was worth my upgrade and the extra money or not. Alright guys, so what I'm going to show you here is the difference between both speakers. The iPhone XS Max with stereo and the iPhone XS with just your regular old speakers.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent. You say it's too late to take it, but is it too late to try? And did I tell not to waste it all of our bridges? And did I tell not to waste it all of our bridges? But now I wasted my nights. You turned out to hit my nights. You turned out the light on.
So I'm not sure if we were able to capture any of that on the actual audio from the recording. Not sure if it did it any justice, but definitely the iPhone XS Max stereo speakers are awesome. They're really loud. Even at half volume, they're pretty loud. They outbeat the XS speakers. Alright, so now we're going to do a quick test on to see which phone is actually faster, the A12 chip or the one with the A11. Here we go. Pandora. Seems like the A12 chip or the iPhone Max opened it up faster. Close that up. Let's see. We're going to do YouTube. And the 10 actually opened that YouTube up faster. Go ahead and do Pandora again. Close that. ESPN, my fantasy. The new Max opened that up faster. Just regular ESPN for scores and sports. The new iPhone opened that up faster. I'm actually going to play some video here. Let's see how that looks on the iPhone X. And again, there's the display on the screen. You can see how much more real estate we have with the screen itself. And again, off of the camera here, you can't really see how beautiful this picture actually looks. So, I'll pause that, turn that back around here. Let's see what else we could open up here. Open up Ecobee. That's for my thermostat. And wow, the iPhone X actually opened that up a lot quicker than the Max did. My garage door opener, my Q. And the 10 one again. Wow. That's 2 for the 10. My Viper remote start for my car. Wow, the 10 is actually outbeating the 10, 12. Maybe I might go back and return this iPhone XS Max because the 10 is still faster. Let's try that again. Same time this time. What else can we open up here? Let me see. Let me go in here and we'll go ahead and open up iTunes, the store, and kind of almost at the same time. I think the iPhone Max won by a little bit, but nothing major. We'll close up all the apps here. And we'll open up another one. Let's see. What can we open up? We'll open up Dealer Rater. Let's see. Loading at the same time. The iPhone, I think the iPhone 12 or the iPhone XS Max won on that one. It just didn't have my profile loaded onto it. Safari. And then we'll go ahead and pick something here. Let's see. Let's open up this app at the same time pretty much. I think the apps were already loaded on there. Sorry for the picture here. I guess my camera's catching too much light up from the phones themselves. I think my brightness is all the way up on these. Let's see. Let's play a video from YouTube. This is from one of my other videos for the iPhone, for my Apple Watch actually, from the Series 4 and Series 3 comparison. Kind of just see how much real estate. I mean, I'm just showing you guys here the size of the screen. I mean, how big it is. I mean, you got a 6.5 inch screen compared to the smaller screen of the 5.8, and I just love the way it looks. I'm gonna open a CSR Racing 2 here, and let's see here. And again, it's just the screen. I love the size of the screen. There's the whole screen. Of course, everything's loading like the profile. Won't give me the actual view that I want. And then, of course, I got the map up on one already. And then there's my car on the other one. And, of course, it's loading everything up. Sorry about that. There's the map. And, I mean, the fluently also, how quickly the other one responds. It just, you see it more fluid from one and the other. And just the difference in response just feels like butter when you're moving through the screens here. I mean, don't get me wrong. The iPhone 10 definitely has a beautiful picture. It's just that the iPhone 10 Max has the picture looks just a little bit better on there, and it's just a lot bigger screen, and that's what I enjoy most about it. A lot of people are saying, "Oh, you know, Apple's just got a bigger screen." I enjoy the bigger screen. Let me just play this game here. Let's see if try to play this with one hand here. See if I could. Sorry for covering another screen here. I'm gonna try to use the throttle with my two fingers here if I can even do anything. Oh, my shifts are way off. Wow. I'm a lot better in the game than you guys are seeing right now. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the Smart HDR, the difference between the two cameras. And same settings with both phones, except the one has the Smart HDR, and you could see the difference right away. I mean, the Max has a more vibrant picture, more detailed showing on everything, and you can just tell by this picture, you can see the water droplet, the actual leaves on there. Very beautiful picture. Same thing here, a shot of my neighborhood there. Unfortunately, I didn't get the picture I wanted with the Max when I shot this one, but just look at the fire hydrant itself. The one looks more vibrant. The other one's more true to life, but again, the other one looks a little more vibrant. I've always liked that vibrancy and the colors. Here's a selfie of me, and on the X, you could actually see where you could see all the blemishes on my face, and the other one has like a small, smoother skin, like I'm kind of drawn on there, which is what everybody's been talking about on this. So there's some difference in the pictures there, so you guys can see. Now let's go ahead and close this out, and then you guys can make a decision of which one you think is better. But again, both phones are beautiful. They both take nice pictures. They're both elegant phones. Again, the life expectancy battery on the Max is a little bit better than the iPhone XS. But again, just small differences. Alright guys, so those are some of the features that the iPhone XS Max has over the iPhone 10. Not many features other than the screen size, the louder speakers, the improved Smart HDR camera. Very small increments. But again, it is going from pretty much they're doing the iPhone like they did with the 3GS, 4S, 5S, 6S, and so on. It's kind of what they did with these two phones. They went from the iPhone 10, which you can even no longer get this at the Apple Store. Now you get the XS or the XX Max. But those are very small features for the price increase. I think it's worth it. I've always liked the bigger phones, the bigger screen. So it's up to you guys to decide whether you guys think it's a good update. Now, if you're going to be doing an update from a 6, 7, or 8 to a 10S or 10S Max, it's worth it. From a 10X to a 10X Max, it might not be worth it to some of you. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Try to decide on which phone you want to get if you want to do the update. If you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.